when it comes to debts, believe it or not, sometimes paying off an installment debt, a car loan, actually has a negative impact on your credit score because it stops hopefully a positive payment history that brings that to an end. And so your credit score, if you paid off a car loan, you say, I just want to get rid of that payment. Well, that stops being a positively reported item on your credit score, on your credit report. And so maybe keeping that payment in place is okay. If you have credit cards, we always want to see that your credit card balances, you try to keep them at 30% or less of the limit. So if your credit card, your Chase card, your Bank of America card, Macy's card, if it has a $1,000 limit, try not to spend more than $300 on that. Try to keep it below 30%. That shows that you're not stretching your budget too much. Also, conversely, if you have credit cards and you don't use them at all, don't close them. Take one and use it to buy a cup of coffee every month. Show activity on that credit card because it shows on the credit report it's a positive credit item. It's a positively reported credit transaction. You've used your card, at the end of the month you paid it off. You used it, you paid it off. And what that does is if you have one credit card and you make 12 and you have 12 months of payments on time, you have 12 months of history for there. If you have 3 credit cards and you've paid them on time, now you have 36 months or 36 on-time payments. That's a wider base and more stable for your credit history and your credit report. So credit agencies will look at the usage, the number of cards, and making sure that they're all on time. Credit cards, if you can, below 30% of the limit. Use them and pay them each month. And maybe don't pay off all the way your installment debts, even if you have the assets to do it. You can, after you purchase the home, you can do whatever you want. Pay them off if you want so that you can breathe easier. Leading up to that, I would say don't pay them off so that we can get a better credit score.